Hi everyone! Olá, sejam bem-vindos! In this video, I will be taking you a step further in learning how to use the verb estar. I'm sure you know the verb estar by now, and you are probably confident about how to use it when choosing between ser and estar. But that's not what this video is about. Today, I will show you how the verb estar, combined with prepositions, can form fixed expressions. So if your goal is to sound more like a native and understand better the uses of the verb estar, this video is for you. As you probably know, I am back from my wonderful trip to Portugal. It was so amazing to visit my favorite places, eat Portuguese food, and meet with friends, family, and my amazing teachers. This trip was such an inspiration for me. I have so many new ideas for videos and projects. I can't wait to share them with you. So if you enjoy my content, click on the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications. E agora, vamos começar! Let me show you how with a simple paragraph, Portuguese can have so many examples of what we will be covering today. Let me use my vacation in Portugal as an example. Estive em Portugal em julho. Estive com a minha família. Estar de férias é fantástico. Já estava para vir a Portugal há muito tempo. Foi fantástico estar a conversar com amigos que estavam por ver há muito tempo. This can translate as I was in Portugal in July. I was with my family. Being on vacation is fantastic. I had been meaning to come to Portugal for a long time. It was great to be chatting with friends who I haven't seen for a long time. How did this sound? Everyday sentences, right? That is why understanding how to combine the verb estar with some of the most common prepositions can help you when expressing yourself in a very natural way in Portuguese. Let's walk through the rules and examples of each one. Estar plus em. Here's the easiest combination of them all. This one is used to speak about being at a location at a specific moment. Remember Fred Flintstone's first sentence to Wilma when he got home? Honey, I'm home. This in Portuguese is Querida, estou em casa. Actually, due to the use of cell phones these days, one of the first things asked when someone picks up the phone now is Onde estás? Where are you? That question itself implies the use of in, on, or at in the answer. That's the Portuguese preposition em. Just remember we need to contract it with the definite articles if we are using a location with a specific noun. Here are some examples to clarify. Estou na escola. I'm at school. Já estamos no avião. We're already on the plane. Next, we have estar para. This combination is used when you are either about to do something or having the intention of doing something. Or, on the contrary, not being in the mood to do something when preceded by an adverb of negation. In the first case, it has future time value. In the second, it works as a fixed expression. Take a look at these examples. Sim, Mariana, já estou para ir. Means the same as vou sair em pouco tempo. Yes, Mariana, I'm about to leave. Or I'll be leaving soon. Estou para te dizer há muito tempo isto. I've been meaning to tell you this for a long time. Não estou para ir à praia hoje. Vou amanhã. I don't feel like going to the beach today. I'll go tomorrow. Now we have estar por. This combination indicates an unaccomplished or not completed action. An action identified by the following verb, which will be in the infinitive mood. Estou tão atrasada, ainda estou por me arranjar. I'm so late, I still have to get ready. Esta manhã saí com a cama por fazer. This morning I left with my bed unmade. Estar de. Here's the way to indicate a mode or a temporary state, when followed by an adverb or a noun. This combination is often used in everyday sentences. Estive de pé durante 30 minutos à espera de uma mesa no restaurante. I stand for 30 minutes waiting for a table at the restaurant. Estou de licença de maternidade desde janeiro. I've been on maternity leave since January. A Joana está de férias há 2 semanas no México. Joana has been on vacation for 2 weeks in Mexico. Agora, estar com. Here's a simple and easy way to literally say you are with someone. But the combination can also express a sensation, something you are experiencing, being equivalent to the same as using the verb ter, to have. Here are some sentences to make this clear. Estou com fome is the same as tenho fome. I'm hungry. Estou com frio, the same as tenho frio. I'm cold. Estou com febre, same as tenho febre. I have a fever. We have estar a. If you remember our video about the gerund, you know this combination already. European Portuguese tends to replace the most common use of gerund for estar a plus infinitive. Estou a ir as I'm going. But this combination also indicates that an action extends in time an ongoing action, as in, o Tiago está a estudar para os exames. Não pode sair com os amigos. Tiago is studying for his exams, so he can't go out with his friends. Estou a falar com a agência de viagens para tentar marcar a viagem. I am talking to the travel agency to try to book the trip. If you feel like you need to review the basics with ser and estar, check out my video about the top 6 verbs most used in Portuguese. Were you aware of all these combinations of prepositions with the verb estar? Leave me a comment below. I always love to hear from you guys. Até para a semana!